Want a crypto lending platform review? Check out Bitbond. All links are down below. Bitbond connects borrowers and lenders worldwide, focusing on small business loans. Unlike traditional platforms, Bitbond uses cryptocurrency, offering innovative solutions for individuals and businesses. A key feature is its loan structure, designed for small businesses, especially in emerging markets. Borrow in Bitcoin or stablecoins, even without access to traditional finance. Bitbond simplifies lending and borrowing, cutting out intermediaries, reducing costs, and improving access. Lenders earn returns by funding vetted borrowers. The platform matches lenders and borrowers based on loan size, terms, and risk, with competitive interest rates. Bitbond's unique use of blockchain ensures transparency and reduces risk for everyone. Smart contracts and blockchain processing enhance security and accountability. Low minimum investments make Bitbond accessible to retail investors seeking crypto-backed loan diversification. It's ideal for experienced investors and crypto lending newcomers. Security is key. Bitbond offers strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and a decentralized model, minimizing single points of failure. Blockchain transparency lets users track loan transactions, building trust. Bitbond is a robust, secure, and transparent global lending platform for individuals and small businesses. Borrow or lend crypto efficiently. Learn more in the description below.